In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slider in WordPress. By the end, you'll have a clean, responsive image slider running on your page using Elementor and a helpful add-on, with clear steps you can follow at your own pace. Start by opening your WordPress website dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins. In the search bar, type Master Add-on for Elementor. When it appears in the results, select it, then click Install and Activate. This add-on works alongside Elementor to make the slider setup quick and flexible. If you already use Elementor on your site, this will feel familiar. Next, head over to Pages on the left. Choose the page where you want the slider to appear and click Edit. On the page screen, select Edit with Elementor to open the visual editor. You'll see your page layout with the Elementor panel on the left. Click the big plus icon in the canvas to add a new section and pick a single column layout. With the section selected, look to the left panel for the layout controls and set content width to full width. This gives your slider room to breathe from edge to edge, which is ideal for a modern, immersive look. If you prefer a tighter layout, you can always change it back later. Now, click the plus icon in the Widgets panel and use the search field to type the slider. From the results, choose Image Carousel and drag it into your new section. As soon as it's in place, the settings will show on the left and the placeholder widget will be visible on the canvas. Click the Add Image button in the left panel to open your media library. Select the images you want to include in the slider. Aim for consistent dimensions and optimized file sizes so the slider looks polished and loads quickly. After you've chosen your images, confirm your selection and you'll see them populate the carousel instantly. At this point, your slider is up and running. Take a moment to scan the image carousel settings on the left. Feel free to explore options like image size, the number of slides to show, spacing, navigation arrows or dots, autoplay, transition speed, and pause on hover. These controls let you fine-tune how the slider behaves and how it fits your page's style. You can also adjust alignment and spacing within the section if you want a different presentation. That's it. Your WordPress slider is created with Elementor and Master Add-on for Elementor. Experiment with the image carousel features to match your brand and layout, and you'll have a professional-looking slider in no time.